guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe, be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my Finish 8 by Halloween update for April. So if you want to see all the progress that we've made on these 8 items, it's in the title, don't mind me, then let's go ahead and just get into this update. So, I am wearing both of my focus palettes today, so we can say that I did good there because we have a lot of things. So, we'll start. We have the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Foil in the shade Alien, which looks like this. I used it once in March, twice in April. I'm at 5 out of my 13 uses. I'm decluttering this. So I will show you exactly why. It's not that I don't like it, but I don't like it. And hang on, I will explain. So I'm just finding that I don't love liquid shadows. And if you look at Incantation, these on the eyes are the exact same. So I don't need this when I have this that I love. So I would just rather pass this on to someone who could get more use out of it than I can. So that's gonna go. Then we have my ColourPop Super Shock in the shade Bay. I used it once in March to hit my pan like I wanted. That was on March 24th. It's starting to smell like crayons. This is old, so I am going to go ahead and declutter this guy. It is going, but I did hit my goal. I am very happy about that. At least we have one that is a goal met and not a declutter. So that's nice. Because the next item is my Melt Potted Gel Liner in the shade Onyx. It was the black liner. I decided to declutter that on March 12th. So I was going to use it. I was. And when I opened it, the whole top layer had all these little chunks. Like if it was just dried out, I might have tried to rehydrate it. But the way that that looked, I wish I would have taken a photo of it. It was icky. And so I just decided, nope, I am decluttering it. It's going. No thank you. But the next 4 items I do have progress on. I'm using them and I'm very happy. So I can throw these out. We have the KVD foundation, and I have so this is the Good Apple Serum Foundation in the shade Light 12. I did use this today, but we're about halfway to my goal. At least that's where it was. I wish I should have marked it before I used it this morning, but I will let this settle and mark it and try to remember to take a photo to insert for you. But before I shook it to use it today, we were halfway to my halfway goal. So a quarter of the way through the foundation. I am wearing it today. I have used it 4 times in April. I'm at 9 uses because, like I said, I want to get it to this line. I don't know how many uses that's going to take. I do think that that is absolutely this is a goal I will be able to meet. I do really like this foundation. I am working on 2 other foundations now. I'm so close. I hope you can see how much windowing is in this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Like, I can taste it. I'm so close. I want this gone. And then I just have, I think, a 10-use goal or a 5-use goal or something on another foundation. So I really do love this. I think it looks beautiful. It feels beautiful. This is gorgeous. So that is beautiful. Very happy with my usage. Then we have the Glam Light Highlight Duo in the Scooby-Doo one, which is this guy. And I used it twice in April. I'm at 12 out of 13 uses, and I'm just calling it a goal met. I'm decluttering this. I decided that on April 1st because I don't like it. I don't like using either of them by themselves. I feel like I have to use this together because this one is too subtle and this one is too glittery. And they're basically the same color. This one is pink that shifts blue, and this one is blue that shifts pink. And so, like, I just have to wear them together, and I don't like it. And it's huge. It takes up so much. It is almost the size of this entire Unearthly palette. So, no. It's going. Done. But I got 12 out of my 13 uses, so I'm calling it a goal met anyway. And now we have the two focus palettes. First, we have the Bella Beauté Bar Basic Witch palette. My first goal is to no pan left behind it, which I still have not met that goal. I need to get on it with this palette. And then my second goal is 13 uses on this Incantation shade. I have used this shade twice, and I still have to no pan left behind the palette. I have used this shade and these 3 shades at the bottom. I am using these 3 shades today in my look. And yeah, I need to get on some pinky purple looks and just use this palette. Like, I don't even have that many palettes right now that I'm focusing on, so I need to just do some pinky purple looks. Now, when it comes to the Unearthly Dead of Night palette, I have no pan left behind this one. That goal has been met, which is awesome. All I have left to do is get 13 uses on this Forest shade. But I have to tell you, I do not love the shimmers in this palette. So, I don't know. I don't know if this is a palette for me. Like, the more I use it, I don't love the shimmers and all of that. So, I don't know. But I love the color story. So, but I have 2 out of 13 uses on Forest. So, why am I putting them away? I still need to film my TikTok. But that is our update. I know I'm not doing great with this project, but it's getting some things used, it's getting some things done, but that is going to be my April update for the Finish 8 by Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're doing well. Any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.